This video focuses on how to add a new person to the biosystem. I am going to first search to see if the person is in the biosystem. And the person I'm going to add is actually a staff member, Sarah Haugen. She works in the School of Public Health. So I'm going to copy her internet ID, S. Howard, and then I'm going to search the system. There are no matches found. I can be assured that she's really not in the system because we've instructed people to use the internet ID as basically the way to identify people in the biosystem. That is the way we are going to make sure there are no duplicates. So in order to add somebody to the system, you actually have to be in an existing list. So we are going to use a fictional list because Sarah Haugen isn't yet needed on any real list, so that's why we're going to use a fictional list. As you can see, we have fictional characters here, but I wanted to use an actual University of Minnesota employee who has an actual internet ID for this purpose. So again, I'm going to just show again no matches found. So it says can't find your person, add them here. So I click on add new person, and the form that comes up, the mini form that comes up, has several fields, but really the only thing you should be filling in is this internet ID, and we're going to check for duplicates, and it says this is valid. So I can go ahead and proceed. Her first name again is Sarah. In some cases you might want to just go ahead and copy and paste to make sure you get everything spelled correctly. So, and the last name is Haugen. Really, we recommend that you only fill out those three fields, first name, last name, and the internet ID. Then you can go ahead and click on Add Person. The reason why we suggest you don't bother adding those other fields is because it won't save in the system. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Save on my list, close. I'm going to take the step of moving her into where she should be in the alphabet. So we double click on the pencil, I'll do that once more, double click on this pencil in the tab, click on Sort to Alpha, click on Save to Close, and then she'll be showing up in the system where she's needed. Now I'm going to go ahead and just edit a few fields. One is the credentials. I'm going to go ahead, and I actually don't know if this is accurate, but I'm just for the purpose of example, I'm going to put MS in her credentials field, Master of Science. And then I don't have a photo for Sarah, but what you would do is you would add the photo, and that's a different video that you can watch about the biosystem. So basically those are a few of the fields that you would maybe want to make sure you have filled out right away, and then you go ahead and publish, and that way that person's bio will show up on the list. That is the appropriate way to add a person. As a reminder, the way that a person would show up if they are in the system, I'll put in my last name, and you'll see here that I am in the system. I can click on my name, add person from search, and then I will show up here at the bottom of the list.